Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Pragati Mahale, from Assistant Professor at AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. In this video, we are going to learn a topic from Theory of Computation. So, we are going to learn the push-down automata operations. Now, this diagram shows us the push down automata view as a finite automata along with the stack. So, this is the input tape where the input string is stored. This is the stack where the various operations like read operation, push operation, pop operation can be performed. And this indicates the state transition diagram to represent a push down automata where a circle represents the state, whereas this arrow, directed arrow, indicates the transition from one state to another state. This diagram shows us the initial stack condition. So, these symbols like Z or dollar, these are the special symbols which indicates the stack is empty, and also this is the initial stack condition with nothing in the stack, and the stack we can now input the elements into the stack. So, top of the stack is always be pointing to Z. This means this is the empty stack condition. The transition in push down automata, it can be shown as a directed edge from the state Q1 to the state Q2. So, while moving from this current state Q1, the machine can perform various stack operations. The transition edge, this transition edge from Q1 to Q2, it is marked with the operation. This operation shows that A is the current input symbol, whereas B is the symbol which is popped from the stack, and C is the symbol which is to be pushed, the symbol which is to be pushed onto the stack. Now, let us see the operations related to the stack. So, this is the current state. A is the input, current input in my input tape, and now with this particular operation, what B is on the top of the stack. This indicates that the B is the top is at the top of the stack, and when new symbol C comes, so this B is replaced with the C, and our new top of the stack is nothing but the C. Now, let us understand the push operation. Here again we are at the Q1 state. A is some input, current input symbol. Top of the stack is pointing to B. Now, here this C is the symbol to be pushed onto the stack, and nothing is to be popped. This lambda indicates the empty symbol or the empty string, which means there is nothing to be popped. So, the new stack will look like this. So, B remains and the new symbol C is pushed onto the stack, and the top of the stack is now pointing to this new symbol pushed into the stack. Now, let us understand the pop operation. So, A is my current input in the input tape. B is at the top of the stack. Here lambda indicates the empty symbol, that is nothing to be pushed, only we are going to carry out the pop operation. So, my updated stack will look like B is popped from the stack, and the empty symbol is pushed. That because it is an empty symbol, we need not show anything on the top of the stack. So, the top of the stack is pointing to the edge. So, this is the pop operation, and this represents the no operation. that means there is nothing, does nothing to the stack. So this is empty string, this is empty string, so no operations performed and the stack remains unchanged. And now suppose we are by giving some operation, we are trying to pop from the empty stack. In that case, our automata will halt and it will reject the string, because the stack is empty and the top of the pointer is pointing to the empty stack condition. In such case, the automata stop and rejects the input. So, these were the various operations related to the push down automata stack. Thank you so much.